Question 36. A partial web is shown. The mourning dove is a bird that is often part of this food web. Mourning doves lay eggs in abandoned robin nests. They feed on fruit from maples and seeds from grasses. They regurgitate food to feed their young. And here is the food web. We don't see the mourning doves in it, but it says it is often part of the food web. Not always, I guess. So we have our producer, the sugar maple trees. We have our first level consumers, which are all herbivores, deer, maple aphids, beetles, caterpillars, and then we have our omnivores that are the robins and the wasps. Okay. Apparently from what it says here, they're feeding strictly on fruit and seeds, so they are definitely also herbivores, right? Oh, and these aren't omnivores. Did I say omnivores? These are definitely carnivores. Sorry about that. Okay. Which of these best describes the mourning dove when it is part of the food web? It has a parasite-host relationship with a robin. Well, is the mourning dove living together with the robin at all times and harming it? No. And is it harming it at all? It says it does use its nest, but it waits till they have abandoned their nest. So this is incorrect. It has a predator-prey relationship with tent caterpillars. Well, from what we have established here, we know that it is a herbivore feeding strictly on producers, so it is not having a predator-prey relationship with the caterpillar. Has a producer-consumer relationship with the maple trees because it gets food from the trees. That is correct. It is the consumer, the tree is the producer, and it does have a relationship as such with the trees. It has a producer-consumer relationship with its young because it feeds its young regurgitated food. Well, no, not. It is a consumer. Its young is a consumer. The young cannot go out and forage for food yet, so the parent brings it food. So our answer choice is H.